Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing great. So today we are going to do birria tacos. I don't know if you've heard of them or if you've had them or if you've seen them. They've been around for a little bit, or trending. They were trending for a little while. They're so good. It's just really good, slow cooked beef. And you dip it in consomme. It's so good. I made these a few months back before I started doing videos and they were so good. So I'm gonna make them again. Super excited for you guys to see it and to try it, and let me know if you have tried it or any of the other recipes that I've uploaded. I'd love to hear from you or just to say hi. So let's go. Okay, you guys, to get this started, we're gonna use some guajillo chilies, and I'm gonna do 4 of these, and we're gonna take the stem and the seeds out. And then we're gonna take, you can't see it, I have it wrapped up, but some pasilla chili. I'm just gonna use one of those, and the same, take the seed out and the stem. And then we're gonna do probably most of this onion and throw in half of this garlic. And you don't need to, you'll see what I do. And then a carrot. So we're gonna start with that. Let me get those chopped up and then I can show you. All right, you know what's great about this is you don't, it just has to be big chunks because we're gonna blend it later anyways. So what I'm gonna do is just, is this one okay? Put this in the pot with some oil and just kind of let it get heated up before, while I take the stems and the seeds out of the chilies. All right, so I just put in like 2 tablespoons of some canola oil, and I'm just gonna toss these in here while I do the chilies. Okay, I'm going to throw these in here, and you can see I have a couple seeds in there. It's cool. I'm going to throw in the meat, and then we'll put in some chicken bouillon, and I have some sweet basil I'm using and oregano. I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, I'm going to put in, so I have like 2½ teaspoons of the sweet basil and a heaping teaspoon of the Mexican oregano. All right, so I have about 2½ pounds of chuck beef here. So I'm gonna move stuff around and put that on the bottom. I'm gonna add the chicken bouillon and you know what, and some cumin and salt. Hold on. Okay, so I have, so I put in 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin in there too. So now we're going to put in probably about, well, we want to fill it up with water, so we'll see. Hold on. All right, so we have blended everything. Oh, it smells so good. So we're just gonna add it back in now, and this is gonna create lots of delicious flavor and color. But we're also going to add in some chili powder, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Hold on. And that's going to deepen the color even more so. So probably I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. Now you're just going to let this simmer for like 3 hours, 3½ hours, so the meat can easily shred. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. So now just patience. I'm horrible with patience, but it's so worth it. All right, you guys, so it has been about a little more than 3 hours, and it is ready to shred. Look at that. It smells so good in here. So I'm going to reserve some of this broth, the consomme, and probably like a cup of it, and then I'll shred this and put it back in here. Okay, you guys, so what we're gonna do is, so I have the shredded meat back in here. I have a hot pan ready to go. I have some queso fresco ready to go, and my corn tortillas. You can use white corn if you want, but I like the yellow corn. So I'm just gonna dip the corn tortilla in here and put it on the the pan, and then we're gonna put some meat and cheese on there and fold it and fry it up a little bit. And that's it. All right, get your favorite toppings ready. I have red onion, cilantro, and limes. And then we're going to shred up some of this queso fresco. And you just want to use any good melting cheese, like you can use mozzarella. Okay, so let it crisp up a little bit, then you're gonna flip it over, and then it'll be done. Oh gosh, it smells so good, you guys. I'll show you when I flip it over. All right, let's flip this over. Perfect. We're just gonna brown this side, and it'll be good to go. And you can take some of the broth, and because there's oil on the top, and add some as you're cooking. All right, you guys, we have some lined up here. Now we're just gonna top it with all the pretty toppings. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's sprinkle some cheese down the middle. We're just gonna go down the middle, or try to. Need some onion, cilantro. Oh my gosh. I already ate one, you guys, sorry. It's so good. And then let's put some limes in here. All right, you guys, you gotta try it. It's so good. It's actually pretty easy. You just have to do that, you know, 3.5 hour slow cook for the meat. So worth it. So good. Let me know if you guys try it. See you guys next time. Bye.